Hi, it's Mrs. Mallet, and right now we're going to convert what we learned from scientific notation now back into standard form. So let's take this example, and we have 8.63 times 10 to the 5. So we want to take this number that's already in scientific notation and convert it to standard notation, or to make it a bigger number. Now, what you do is you look at that decimal space. Remember the whole money ordeal I talked about? If it's a positive exponent, then you're going to have a bigger number because you want that much money in your bank account. If you have a negative exponent, then you know you're going to have a smaller number like a decimal, and you're going to move to the left. So if it's a positive number, you'll move your decimal to the right. If it's a negative exponent, you move your decimal to the left. Okay? So let's look at this one. Our exponent is a positive 5, so we're going to move our decimal to the right 5 spaces. So I have 8.63, and let's move it to the right 5 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So let me rewrite it so that makes more sense. That is 863 followed by 3 zeros. So 863,000. Okay? Let's do another one. Let's say that I have 5.12 times 10 to the 2. All right? So once again, it's a positive 2. You want to move your decimal 2 spaces to the right. So this will be 5. And when you move your decimal space, you have it right there. So your number will just be 512. Let's try it with some negative exponents. Let's say that I have 2.47 times 10 to the negative 3. Okay, so we have a negative exponent here. So that means we're going to move our decimal to the left 3 spaces. So let's write our number and go to the left 3 spaces. Here's 1. Oh, excuse me. Here's 1, 2, and 3. So let me rewrite it. We'll have 2 zeros in front, followed by our 247 number. Okay, let's try one more. 4.058 times 10 to the negative 7. Okay, so once again, we're going to move 7 spaces to the left in front of that 4. So we'll write out the number. And let's go 7 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Okay, so let's double check that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. I'll rewrite the number. Better looking, so how it looks. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros, and then our 4058 number. Okay, so once again, if you have in scientific notation and you want to convert to standard form, if you have a positive exponent, you're going to move it to the right, your decimal to the right. If you have a negative exponent, you're going to move your decimal to the left. Okay? Great job.